Filtering specific products for editing is one of the customizations that every e-commerce store owner searches for in a WooCommerce Bulk Edit plugin. Even though you may use the default WooCommerce bulk editing settings to filter your products for bulk editing, it lacks many important features. In this video, we'll show you how to use the ELEX Bulk Edit Products, prices, and attributes for WooCommerce plugin to selectively filter products for bulk editing on WooCommerce. Let us consider a use case where we want to add the category clothing to all products under the hoodies category with the color green and size large. Here is how we should do it. The filtering process is the first step in the bulk editing process. The plugin offers some useful filters like product title, product SKU, product tags, product types, stock status, product categories, product description, product short description, product attributes, and product regular price. For our demonstration, we need to select the hoodies category from the product categories filter. When it comes to attributes, the plugin provides two filters. One with or, and the other with and. The or operator will filter products that have either of the custom attributes, whereas and will filter products that have all the selected attributes. Since we need to filter products that have both green color and large sized as attributes, we should tick the color and size attributes in the and grouping operation. Next, select the required attribute values from the drop-down list, and click Preview Filtered Products. In the second step, the plugin will preview all the products that are filtered using the filters configured in the previous step. Based on our demonstration, all the products that have the category hoodies, both simple and variable ones, and which have color green and size large as attributes, will be shown. You can notice that the product category has only hoodies for now. Click Continue to proceed further. The third step would involve adding the product category in bulk. The plugin offers several filters to bulk edit and update product properties. For our use case, we need to scroll down all the way down for product category settings. There are three options for bulk editing product categories. Add, to add an existing product category to the filtered products. Remove, to remove the selected product categories from the filtered products. Overwrite, to overwrite the existing product categories with the selected product categories. For our demonstration, we need to choose the Add Category option and tick the Clothing category from the product category list and click Continue. On the Schedule page, select Perform the Bulk Edit Now under the Actions drop-down menu and click Finish. The products will then be updated with the required changes done in the ELEX Bulk Edit plugin. Once the products are updated, you will see a success message that says all products are updated. Now, let's check out the results. Click Continue to see the updated changes. You will now notice that the clothing category is added to all the filtered products. In this way, you can selectively filter products for bulk editing on WooCommerce. In addition to this, there are a lot of things that you can achieve with this plugin. You can bulk edit the product title, product SKU, featured products, change product type, product image and descriptions, product visibility status, sale price and regular price, stock quantity, product weight and dimensions, product attributes, product categories, product variations, tax status, and a lot more. One amazing highlight of the plugin is the newly introduced exclusions feature. With this feature, you can exclude products based on product IDs, and product categories for bulk editing. The plugin will ignore the product IDs and categories configured in this setting during the update process. To download the ELEX Bulk Edit Products, prices and attributes for WooCommerce plugin, visit www.elextensions.com. For more information, kindly read through the links provided in the description box of this video.